Alrighty, back again with another video. Today we are going to be doing something a little different than what I usually do on my channel, guys. We are going to be cooking some potatoes. These little, I don't even know, this is my first time cooking these things. We're going to make it do what it do. We're going to do 2 of them. All we got to do is follow the instructions. 2 cups of water, half a cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Since we're going to be doing double the amount, 2 packages, we're going to double the stuff. So, me personally, I'm not going to do 4 cups of water. I might do like 3.5. And as far as the milk, I'm going to do 1 cup of milk instead of a half a cup of milk. And as for the butter, I'm going to do 4 tablespoons instead of 2. So let's begin. We got our pot right here. First cup of water going right in. Now all we gotta do is read the instructions. Heat oven to 450. We already got that going. And then, what does it say next? Stir sauce mix, boiling water, milk, butter, and all the ingredients that they asked for. So we got our sauce mix. We got 1 and 2. Now we're gonna get the milk and the butter. Milk. Wow. And we got the unsalted Land O'Lakes, 4 tablespoons. Wow. That looks so cool. And now for the good stuff. Excuse my messy kitchen there, guys. After we dump all of it in, now we just stir it up, baby. Oh yeah. Alrighty, after boiling the sucker down and whisking it, it's finally getting a little creamy. Not too bad. You see, it's still kind of. I don't have a whisk. It says use a whisk over here, but I don't have a whisk. So we're gonna have to do what it do. To the pan, and I'm gonna line up these chips and some cheese. I'll show you in a second. As you can see, I got the first layer down, and I still have some chips from the first bag. I didn't have cheddar cheese, so what I used was Kobe, 3-pepper Kobe Jack from Boar's Head, and regular Kobe Jack cheese. So I put in my first layer of sauce. These are little cut up onions, if you see there. I put in there for a little extra flavor. Layer potatoes and our second bag. So I'm figuring we could do 1 more layer and that would be good. Stay tuned. Second layer of cheese on there. Honestly, guys, this is coming out so good. Here we are, guys. I added my last layer of sauce. And if you're wondering what is that, that would be Lay's barbecue chips crumbs that I mixed in with the sauce just for a little extra flavor. Oven. And let the magic happen. 25 minutes later, and the result is, wow, that looks good. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe. I'm gonna go enjoy this dish, and I'll catch you all on the next one.